Guys, I'm not talking about artists like Nicole, Panaginip, Bulto by COJ, or even Over October. I am talking about how Filipino singers, except for my favorite artists from the Philippines. One of those Filipino singers are Novices. But when I saw the thumbnail, Power by Vision is so insane. Like nagitara siya tapos ang duha na kinanta. Viral highest no sa heart attack at 3 a.m. midnight sa top left. Oh wow, midnight naman kasi po. Ha 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 ha. Tapos sa diniwapan. No, what? I would say performance task. Yes, pantawag, pangkanta, pan-video, about yeah, Filipino singers are insane. Some of those novice. Pero, naisay video about on many time. Chance na magkasama. Chance na maghaya na akong views. Kung to sa akong namdam stuff. And patay. Na video. Kimauto na akong 7 in one video.